Hi friends, welcome to biologyexamsforyou.com. Today we are going to discuss about what are the three types of ecological pyramids with examples. The three types of ecological pyramids are the pyramid of number, the pyramid of biomass, and the pyramid of energy. Let's move into the detail. Ecological pyramid is a graphical representation designed to show the number, biomass, and energy at each trophic levels of an ecosystem. It was first described by Charles Elton, therefore also called as Eltonian pyramid, also called as food pyramid. So this is an ecological pyramid. Producers or the green plants forms the base, whereas the top carnivores or top consumers forms the apex of this pyramid. This is a food chain, and each step in the food chain can be called as the trophic level, or the position of organisms in the food chain can be called as the trophic level. Therefore, the producers forms the first trophic level, whereas herbivores forms the second trophic level. In this example, top consumers forms the third trophic level. The three types of ecological pyramids are the pyramid of number, biomass, and energy. Moving into the detail of each type of pyramid. First one is a pyramid of number. Let's take this example to understand the concept. Pyramid of number is a graphical representation to show the number of organisms at each trophic levels of an ecosystem. So let's take this example. You can see here the producers, the number of organisms in this first trophic level, that is at the producer level, will be the maximum. Therefore, it will be having a broad base. Then as we move up, crops, grasshopper, then frogs, snakes, and hawks or owl. Gradually the number is decreasing as we move up the trophic level. So this is also in the case of pond ecosystem. Phytoplankton maximum number, then there will be less number of zooplankton. Small fishes, the number will be less, and the number of large fishes that is eating these small fishes will be much more less. Pyramid of numbers in majority of ecosystems are upright pyramid, forming a broad base. The number at the producer level is very much more compared. As we move up the trophic level, as we reach the top carnivore, the number decreases. Therefore, the pyramid is having a broad base and a pointed apex. There are some exceptions. Second type of pyramid of number is inverted pyramid of numbers. So let's take an example. A tree ecosystem and parasitic food chains are examples of inverted pyramid of numbers. You can see this is a producer, a tree. On that tree there are many fruit-eating birds or herbivores. On that birds there are many parasites. On parasites there are hyperparasites like bacteria, fungus, etc. So as we move up the trophic level, a single tree with many birds and numerous parasites, and on that parasites large number of hyperparasites, that is represented by minute microorganisms like bacteria, fungus, etc. So as we move up the trophic level, the number is increasing, forming an inverted pyramid. So in this ecosystem, the number of individuals at the trophic level increases from the producer level to the top consumers. Therefore, the base is pointed and the top, the apex, is broad, forming an inverted pyramid. Then the third type is spindle-shaped pyramid. A tree ecosystem, there is a single tree, there are many fruit-eating birds, and eagle actually preying upon these fruit-eating birds. The number of eagle will be very less. In that case, the pyramid of number becomes spindle-shaped. It is partly upright and forming a spindle-shaped pyramid. Now moving into the second pyramid, that is the pyramid of biomass. It is a graphical representation to show the biomass of organisms at each trophic levels of an ecosystem. Biomass is the total dry weight of an organism in a given area. It is expressed in joules per meter squared. Generally, the pyramid of biomass is upright. Let's take this example. In grassland ecosystem, there are grasses, then there is rabbit, and that is preyed upon by fox, fox preyed upon by lion. At producer trophic level or first trophic level, suppose it is 1000 kg, then it will be 100 kg. At herbivore level or second trophic level, the third trophic level, it will be 10 kg, whereas in the case of top carnivore level, the try weight will be 1 kg. So there will be gradual decrease in biomass as we move up the trophic level, making a pyramid that is having a broad base and a pointed apex. There are some exceptions. Inverted pyramid of biomass. In the case of inverted pyramid of biomass, take this case, this produces in aquatic system, they are actually phytoplanktons with very low weight. Then there is zooplankton that is feeding upon this phytoplankton. It is also having low weight, comparatively more weight than these phytoplanktons. Then there are small fishes that is having more weight compared to this producer level, and large fishes with more weight than these small fishes. So as we move up the ladder of this trophic level, then the dry weight increases as we move up the trophic level, forming an inverted pyramid, a pointed base and a broad apex. Third type of pyramid is pyramid of energy, and that is always upright. Pyramid of energy is a graphical representation of the energy level and energy flow in different trophic levels of an ecosystem. It is expressed in kilocalorie per meter squared per year. In an ecosystem, energy flows from producer level to the consumer level. The energy from the sunlight is actually fixed by this at producer level by green plants. Then that is passed on to the herbivores, that is the second trophic level, then moved on to carnivores, that is the third trophic level. As we move up the trophic level, as per the Linman's law of 10%, more than 90% of energy is lost during this transfer. So therefore, at each trophic level, 80 to 90% of energy is lost, and we have discussed that law in one of our videos. And energy flow is always unidirectional. Therefore, the pyramid of energy is always upright as energy loses as we move up the trophic level towards top consumers. Maximum amount of energy will be always at the base, as producers are responsible for fixing energy from sunlight by the process called photosynthesis. So, pyramid of energy is always upright in all types of ecosystem. And these are the three types of ecological pyramids. Hope you are clear with this. This is Jasir Hanif. You are with biologyexams4u.com. Thank you so much for your support.